On October 4, 2024, a 48-year-old Singaporean man, Mohammad Azwan Bohari, was executed for drug trafficking, following his conviction for possessing 26.5 grams of heroin. This quantity of heroin exceeds the 15-gram threshold under Singapore's Misuse of Drugs Act, which imposes the death penalty for trafficking such amounts. The authorities stated that the drugs seized from Azwan were sufficient to fuel the addiction of around 320 individuals for 1 week. Azwan was first arrested on October 17, 2015, and in 2019, he was convicted and sentenced to death. Despite his appeal and a petition for clemency, both were unsuccessful. His case became the subject of multiple last-minute legal challenges, but these were dismissed by the courts. One of his applications, in fact, was found to be an abuse of the court process. The court stated that all proceedings were handled with full legal representation, giving him due process under Singapore law. Leading up to his execution, Azwan filed several applications to delay it. He was informed of his execution date in September 2024 and submitted another stay of execution on October 1, just days before the execution. However, the court dismissed his final application on October 3, and the execution proceeded the following day. This case has reignited debates surrounding Singapore's strict drug laws and capital punishment policies. On social media, the case gained further attention through comments and posts made by the Transformative Justice Collective, TJC, and activist co-killer Honor Malai, who opposed the use of capital punishment in this instance. These posts prompted a reaction from the government, who issued correction directions under the Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act, POFMA, to counter what they viewed as misinformation. The government reiterated that executions only proceed once all legal rights, including appeals and petitions for clemency, have been exhausted. This case raises several ethical and legal questions. While some support Singapore's hardline stance on drugs, others criticize the death penalty as a form of punishment. In this case, Mohammad Azwan Bohari's legal journey highlights the complex and contentious nature of capital punishment in Singapore. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think Singapore's strict drug laws and the death penalty are necessary to curb drug trafficking, or do you believe alternative forms of punishment should be considered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth news coverage.